Hi, this is Ayman from English Grammar for All. In this video, we're going to look at some expressions with reflexive pronouns and learn about their meanings and how to use them accurately. So let's start our video. Number 1, fancy yourself, which means to think that you are very popular, attractive, or good at something in a way that is annoying. For example, that bloke over there really fancies himself. Number 2, put yourself down. This expression means to belittle yourself or criticize yourself so that people think that you are less good or clever than you really are. For example, don't put yourself down. You are an intelligent man. Number 3, kick yourself. This expression means you are annoyed with yourself because you have missed an opportunity or made a mistake. For example, he kicked himself for not taking the early train. Number 2, you will kick yourself when I tell you the right answer. Number 4, think for yourself. This expression means to make your own decisions and form your own opinions instead of depending on other people's judgment. For example, you really should stop asking my opinion. It's time you learn to think for yourself. Number 5, flatter yourself, which means to believe something good about yourself or to persuade yourself that you are better, more attractive, or more important, although it might not be true. For example, he liked to flatter himself that she was in love with him. Number 6, be yourself. This expression means to behave in your usual manner rather than behaving in a way you think other people might like. For example, the only thing I advise you to do during the interview is to be yourself. Thank you very much for watching.